might get doubt that what is this process builder, why we are using this process builder, what is the use of this, right? So yes, so for that, what I said, this auto launch flow does not have a screen and do not trigger automatically by themselves, right? So they are like a mini program that runs when you explicitly call it, like on their own. They sit in Salesforce, but nothing will trigger them automatically unless you tell Salesforce when to run them. So that's when we use this process builder. So to make the flow run automatically when a case is closed and a high priority, we use a trigger way to tell a Salesforce that what will say that, hey, a case was just updated, run the flow now. In this way we gonna trigger it. Like what are the options? Like record trigger flow, we have something new, newer method can replace process builder entirely, right? This is one type of option, and another type of option is process builder. This is like an older method, this is still widely used, and another one is like apex trigger. So in this case we're gonna use process builder, okay, because we are using auto launch, it can't directly do, so that's why we are using process builder. So what this process, we use this process builder because it can watch for record changes like case status closed and priority high, and call an auto launch flow automatically when those conditions are met. So it passes some input variables from the case record like case id, owner id, priority into the flow. And without this process builder or this one record trigger flow, the auto launch flow would just sit there doing nothing. It wouldn't know when to run it, right? So now how does it work together? Now process builder watches the case object, and here trigger is record is created or edited, right? What we have given the trigger when the record is created, right? So next what we have done, we have given the criteria. So what is the criteria are met? Process builder calls the auto launch flow, right? Then flow runs, it creates the follow-up task automatically. Then if you have written an email, then it can send email alerts to notify the owner, right? So that's how this process builder is used to for the auto launch flow, because auto launch flow directly doesn't trigger. To trigger it, we're gonna use process builder.